Hi everyone, Brad Friesen here, Sales Manager for Haulmaster Manufacturing. Today we're going to talk maintenance on a Haulmaster grain cart. We're going to start up at the front here. Obviously you guys need to do a PTO shaft. You've done it before. You know where the grease points are, but it's I believe it's about 20 hours on each end and about 8 hours in the middle. But going back to the cart, we have a total of 6 grease points on the cart itself, plus depending on what kind of undercarriage you have, a couple more on the wheels or the track. So starting here, this is just a couple pumps, top and bottom. The bottom one's actually the hardest one that we have to reach, and as you can see, it's going in pretty hard. Sometimes you have to rotate your auger a little bit to get it going. So that's 1, 2. I'm going to grab this one up by the orbital motor if you have a hydraulic or a joystick. Just a couple pump in there as well. Moving back, this one has tracks on it. On the tracks, there's 3 50-hour grease points down the middle, and what I would call once annuals up at the front. The manual does say a little bit different, so grease it as you want. Just going to put a couple pumps in each of these. And sometimes these are a little bit hard to get in as well. But there we go. And then I may as well hit these 3 here as well. Okay, moving on to the back, there's the rear hanger bearing. As mentioned, everything's 50 hours. It does say 1 pump, but I'll usually put 2 in there every week. We've already seen the track, but I'll just do this one here quick as well because I'm going around. Not a lot of grease. Don't need to be pushing it out everywhere. But it's just nice to keep everything looped up. And while you're back here, you should probably take a look at your oil bath hubs. No grease required, but take a peek on the inside and on the outside just to make sure everything's still holding oil and you haven't developed a leak of any kind. So yeah, on the passenger side here, just in front of the tracks, you've got the mid hanger bearing for the drag auger. And then finally the last one is right up here by the gauge. And all done. So real simple. Your tractor's probably not even warmed up at this point. Once a week, really all it takes. Have a good one, everyone.